Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a tour of the construction on the Southern Coastal Highway. Now this highway is to build a highway from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. It's going to go through the parishes of St. Andrew, it's going to go through St. Thomas, and it's going to go through Portland. And this side of the island, you could say, has had before the highway, had some of the worst roads. But this highway is a game changer. This never before has this side of the island seen roads of this quality. Never before has this side of the island, that's St. Thomas, and basically the eastern part of the island, from Kingston to Port Antonio. Never before have they seen this kind of road. The road that we're on now is what they're accustomed to, but you're going to see very soon the type of road that they're getting. Highway quality road, 4 lanes with a concrete barricade. Now from Kingston to the Yallow's Bridge is 4 lanes, but from the Yallow's Bridge to Port Antonio, some sections will be 2 lanes, some sections will be 4 lanes. But it's definitely highway quality road the entire way from Harborview to Port Antonio. Alright, so what's going on out here now is it's going to be 4 lanes, and between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, the highway is going to incorporate the existing road. So the existing road is the road we're actually on. It's 2 lanes, and so it's going to become 4 lanes. So there you can see, let me stop so you can see. On the right, they are building 2 additional lanes to make it 4 lanes. So that's the construction that's going on out here. This is where we are. So you can see from the entire road from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles, it's 4 lanes, and it's going to incorporate the existing road. Now from 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, the highway is going to go over the hill. It no longer incorporates the existing road. It's a new road that's built from scratch, and that road is also going to be 4 lanes. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, it incorporates the existing road, and then from Albion Heights to Grandspend, it takes a new road, a new alignment, and then from Grandspend to the Yallow's Bridge, it runs along the existing roadway. So that's just to give you an idea. We are still in St. Andrew, and this is the highway at the construction. So you know how this road was before the construction started. There were a lot of structures right up to the edge of the highway, to the edge of the road. Like look on the left, you see some of the structures are very close to the road. So those on the right had to be removed. Over 600 structures had to be removed. Okay, straight ahead now, you see this concrete wall. That's a new wall that was put up because they had to remove the existing wall because it was too close to the road. So the entire stretch of the road, they had to do that because its road is now going to be 4 lanes. So on the right is where they are going to do the construction. Now this project started in 2017, and it's China Harbor Engineering Company that is doing the work, and it's scheduled to finish in 2025, the entire highway. However, that date might, well, let's see. And here you see this bridge is 2 lanes. To the right, they built another bridge to carry the additional 2 lanes. So the highway is being built out in sections. So the Kingston from the Harborview to the Yellow section is 1A, and then they have different sections until the highway reaches Port Antonio. Now, in Port Antonio, the Southern Coastal Highway will meet the Northern Coastal Highway. So, the Southern Coastal Highway takes you from Harborview, or basically Kingston, to Port Antonio. And then the Northern Coastal Highway takes you from Port Antonio to Negril, running along the entire north coast of Jamaica. So, Jamaica is definitely moving forward in terms of road development. Now look at this. Unbelievable. No, how some people drive, and it's most of the time it's a taxi driver or a bus driver. And you can see the highway in this section. It's like some lanes going to be on the left, some lanes going to be on the right. Okay, you can see the wall on the right. It's a new wall because the existing wall had to be removed. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.